Hare Krishna. Nama Om Vaishnapadaya Krishna Prestaya Bhutale Srimati Bhaktivedanta Swami Iti Namane. Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pracharane Nirvisesa Sunyavadi Paschatya Deshatarane. I'm currently struggling with my Krishna consciousness. I want to attain Raganuga Bhakti, such as what is described in writings, always dreaming of Krishna and never forgetting him while in the fully awakened state. These great souls are immersed in spontaneous love of Krishna. I chant my rounds, associate with devotees, and read scripture only out of sheer obedience, not out of spontaneous love of Krishna. Anyway, I am committed to perfecting my Krishna consciousness. You imply in the Chaitanya Chaitamrita that the stage of bhakti, that the stage of bhava, is the final stage of Krishna consciousness. Madhurya Leela 23rd chapter, 14th to 15th texts. This level can be attained straight away or after many lifetimes, depending on our personal level of spiritual advancement. Unfortunately for me, at age 82, initiated 58 years, I have yet to achieve that level of Krishna Bhakti. Nonetheless, although I am plagued with insomnia and migraines daily, among other health-related tribulations, I consider myself fortunate because I have met you when I was 25 years old. So even though I am unfortunate in many ways, I have to count my blessings. For example, I am still alive and practicing some form of Krishna consciousness, and a few others are willingly helping me without remuneration. This is all due to your mercy and blessings upon me. In your Bhagavad Gita as it is, 6th chapter, 24th verse, you tell the incident of a sparrow whose eggs were stolen by the ocean. When the sparrow asked for her eggs to be returned, the ocean didn't consider her request. The sparrow then took drops of ocean water into her beak with the aim of drying up the sea. The ocean simply laughed at her for what you called her impossible, quote, impossible determination, close quote. The sparrow's action carried on for some time. Then it happened that the giant Vishnu carrier, the bird named Garuda, heard about this and came at once to see his small sister bird. He learned all about the cleanliness, about her abstinence. He learned all about her abstinence and threatened the ocean that he would dry her up. The ocean then became extremely frightened and returned the sparrow's eggs immediately. In the same section, you cited the well-known and relevant English verse stating that, open quote, God helps those who help themselves, close quote. It is only my determination, daryat, like that of the sparrow, that keeps me going. As time goes on, I get deeper realizations about your status. Some opine that you have come from Krishna Loka, and that your sublime qualities can only be attributed to one who has come from Krishna's abode to this material world. To this material world to help the fallen human beings of this planet. While I don't necessarily subscribe to this point of view, still your inimitable qualities and your personal history on earth are proof positive that you have achieved perfection. Your servant, Mukunda Goswami. Hare Krishna.
Jai Hari Bol.
Thank you.